Here comes the tutorial for this dreamy peony flower. First, prepare the materials: mohair yarn, a 2.3mm crochet hook, non-woven fabric, and a hair clip. For better visibility, I use 4 strands of cotton yarn instead of the mohair for the flower center. Start with an adjustable magic ring and work 8 single crochets into it. After completing the 8 single crochets, tighten the ring. Finish the round with a slip stitch. In the second round, work 8 single crochets again. In the third round, only work in the back loops of the stitches. Work 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Into the second stitch, work a single crochet increase. Repeat this pattern all around the circle, completing 12 single crochets. In the fourth round, continue working only in the back loops. No increasing or decreasing, even 12 stitches. The flower core is now complete. Next, switch to mohair yarn. For the first layer, crochet 5 petals of varying sizes. For the second layer, 4 large petals. Work double crochets into the front loops of the third round. Start with a double crochet turning chain. Yarn over and pull the double crochet loop longer until you're satisfied with its length. Work 8-9 double crochets into 1 stitch. Large petals have 28 double crochets. Small petals have 10 to 18 double crochets. Irregular petals make the flower look more lively. After finishing the last stitch, join with the slip stitch. Use the same method to crochet the second petal. Then continue to crochet the third, fourth petals. Once all the petals are finished, end with the slip stitch. After completing the first layer of petals, it already looks great. Now move on to the second layer of petals. Turn your workpiece. Continue crocheting petals into the front loops of the fourth round using the same method. Try to stagger them from the first layer of petals. Work 9-10 double crochets into 1 stitch, making the double crochets slightly longer than in the first round for a more beautiful flower. After finishing the petals, end with a slip stitch and fasten off the yarn. Use seed beads strung together as the flower center. Cut non-woven fabric into a circle. Apply glue and attach it to the back of the flower. Glue a hair clip to the back of the flower, and the lovely peony is now complete.